Welcome to Mystery Facts USA, where we delve into the fascinating and the bizarre, unearthing the secrets that make our world an endlessly captivating place. In today's episode, get ready to impress your friends, blow the minds of your kids, and even dazzle your coworkers with 101 of the most extraordinary and mind-boggling facts that will change the way you see the world and beyond. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this odyssey of oddities. Fact 1. Clouds weigh 1,000,000 tons. Ever looked up at the sky and wondered how much those fluffy clouds weigh? Believe it or not, the average cloud weighs around 1,000,000 tons. That's because a cloud is essentially a giant mass of water droplets or ice crystals spread out over a vast area. Imagine holding a cubic kilometer of this vapor that's approximately the size of your cloud, with a density just slightly less than the surrounding air, allowing it to float. Mind-blowing, right? Fact 2. Giraffes and lightning. Giraffes might seem like gentle giants, but their height comes with a shocking risk literally. These towering creatures are 30 times more likely to be struck by lightning than humans. From 1996 to 2010, there were only 5 documented cases of giraffes being fatally struck, but given their smaller population, this statistic is far more alarming than it is for humans. So next time you're caught in a thunderstorm, be glad you're not as tall as a giraffe. Fact 3. Identical twins with different fingerprints. Identical twins may share nearly the same DNA, but when it comes to fingerprints, they're unique. This difference comes down to environmental factors during development in the womb, things like the length of the umbilical cord, position in the womb, and even the rate at which their fingers grew. So if you were thinking about pulling a prank and blaming it on your twin, better think twice. Fact 4. Earth's slowing rotation. Time isn't as constant as we think. Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down. On average, the length of a day increases by about 1.8 milliseconds per century. So while it might not affect your daily schedule, over millions of years, it adds up. Fun fact, 600 million years ago, a day on Earth was just 21 hours long. Fact 5. Your brain is eating itself. Here's a fact that's a little creepy. Your brain is constantly eating itself. Don't worry though, this process, known as phagocytosis, is essential for keeping your brain healthy. Cells in your brain engulf and digest smaller, damaged cells and molecules to clear them out, helping to maintain your mental sharpness. Fact 6. Fossilized dinosaur poo. Let's talk about dinosaur poo. The largest piece of fossilized dung ever discovered is over 30 centimeters long and holds over 2 liters in volume. This coprolite is believed to have come from a Tyrannosaurus rex, giving scientists a rare insight into what these massive creatures ate millions of years ago. Fact 7. The universe's average color. Cosmic Latte. The universe might seem like a dark, endless expanse, but if you could sum up all the light from every galaxy, you'd get a beige color known as Cosmic Latte. This was discovered in a 2000 study, where astronomers found that the combined light of stars and galaxies creates a shade that's close to white but slightly warmer. Fact 8. Animals and time perception. Time flies or slows down depending on who you are. Smaller animals like salamanders and lizards actually experience time more slowly than larger animals like cats and dogs. This difference is due to the speed at which their brains process information, making the world around them seem to move in slow motion. Fact 9. Is water wet? Here's a debate that could leave you scratching your head. Is water wet? Most scientists define wetness as the ability of a liquid to maintain contact with a solid surface. By this definition, water itself isn't wet but makes other things wet. So next time you jump into a pool, remember it's the pool that's wet, not the water. Fact 10. The headless chicken that lived. Prepare to be amazed and slightly disturbed. Back in the 1940s, a chicken named Mike lived for 18 months without a head. After a failed attempt to behead him, Mike's jugular vein and most of his brainstem were left intact, allowing him to survive against all odds. Most chickens wouldn't last more than a few minutes, but Mike became a true marvel of biology. And there you have it, just a taste of the 101 incredible facts we've got lined up for you. If you're hungry for more mind-blowing trivia, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Mystery Facts USA. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you. It's stranger than you think.